Welcome to Citrine, the party room and lounge here in Helio at West 5. Today, Chef Kirk is joining us and sharing a simple honey basil vinaigrette recipe. On to you, Kirk.
Hello. Thank you very much. Today we're going to do a real simple vinaigrette, honey basil, sweet, wonderful flavors to it. Now I say vinaigrette too, but it can also be used as a marinade. If you use it for seafood or for chicken or something for the barbecue, it really adds wonderful flavor to it. Simple 5 ingredients, a little bit of vegetable oil, some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of our RiverBend honey, some fresh chopped basil, and salt and pepper to finish, and that's it. So we take all our ingredients, vegetable oil. Now usually with the vinaigrette or any kind of dressing, you're going to use 2 or 3 parts of oil to your acidic, your vinegar, your lemon juice, to whatever is only 1 part. And then your flavorings, which are, in this case, the honey and the basil, they'll be added just to your own personal preference, following the recipe right now, but you can make it sweeter or savorier. If you're a basil freak, then you can add as much as you want. So you can see the separation too in our container, oil to vinegar. So that's another little trick. If you use a transparent container, you can measure it that way as well. So now the blender goes in, do a quick little stir. That'll emulsify everything and make it almost thicken on you. A little bit of salt and pepper to finish it off for flavoring, seasoning. Then you'll see how it starts to thicken on its own with the oil and the honey and the vinegar. And there you have it, simple honey basil vinaigrette. Perfect for all kinds of things, like I said, marinade, salad dressing, whatever you want to use it for. Enjoy.
Thanks for tuning in. To learn more about the exciting and unique amenity spaces here at Helio, visit us at west5.ca.